Okay, welcome to my video. So let's read the question. Joyce had $350 more than Peter. Joyce spent 3/4 of her money and Peter spent 4/7 of his money. In the end, Peter and Joyce had the same amount of money left. Find the amount of money Peter had at first. So this is again an equal concept question. So this phrase here tells you that it's an equal concept question. Okay, in the previous method, we actually used model to solve this. Okay, in this method we can also use model, but before that, to find the total number of units or the original number of units for Joyce and Peter respectively, we're going to use an easier way to find it out. So if you notice carefully, let me go and do it part by part. Joyce spent 3/4 of her money, so 1 whole minus 3/4, I have 1/4. So this is the amount of money left for Joyce, okay, in terms of fraction. Now for Peter, I take 1 whole minus 4 out of 7, and 3 out of 7 is left, and this is the amount of money Peter had left in terms of fraction. Okay, this is for Peter. So what I'm going to do is this, in equal concept, I'm going to equate this fraction with this fraction, because the question says the amount of money Peter and Joyce had left is the same. So that means I can actually equate 1/4 of Joyce and 3/7 of Peter. I make it equal. Now the next thing I have to do is this. I've got to make the numerator the same. Okay, numerator the same. So here, if I want to make the numerator the same, very simple. I simply times 3 for the numerator here and the denominator here. So 1 times 3 I get 3, 4 times 3 I get 12. So now once I make the numerator the same, now I look at the denominator, okay, and I can actually come to a conclusion that for Peter, the total number of units is 7. For Joyce, the total number of units is 12. And thereafter it's quite simple to solve the question. Okay, we can simply take 12 unit minus 7 unit, 5 units. This 5 units is actually $350. Okay, then you find 1 unit, which will be 350 divided by 5, which will give you 70. And they want you to find the amount of money Peter had at first. So that will be 7 units, $70 times 7, which will give you $490. So this is your final answer. Thank you for watching my video.